Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another video for you guys. I'm going to show you this very gorgeous 24-inch jerry curly lace wig, 8x5 lace closure wig from QT Hair. So yeah, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below, turn on your notification bell, and let's jump straight into the video. So this is the box that it comes in, as you guys can see. Very nice packaging. So inside you have the wig, and you have brushes and combs for your edges, and you have a wig cap as well. So like I said, this is the wig, is the 200% density 24-inch jerry curly wig, 8x5 lace closure wig. So as you guys can see, the lace already comes pre-cut, so you don't have to worry about cutting lace, and it's already plucked to perfection, so you don't have to worry about plucking as well. So it also comes with combs inside the wig and an adjustable strap for extra security, and the knots are also bleached on the lace as well. So I'm putting the wig on a wig cap, just on a wig head, just to show you guys what the lace looks like. As you guys can see, the hairline is plucked to perfection. You will not need to do any customization. Everything is already done for you. It's pre-plucked, the lace is already cut, the knots are bleached. So you literally just, this is literally a wear and go wig. You can just pop this on your head and you don't have to do any customization at all. And there's also a lot of parting space. As you can see, this is a free part wig, so you can part it down the middle if you want. You can do it as a side part. You can just do a flip over part. So there's a lot of parting space, very deep parting space, which makes the wig look very, very natural. See, I'm just showing you guys the different ways you can part this wig. Very, very natural looking wig. So this is what the wig looks like straight out of the box. Like I said, this is the jerry curly wig. Now we are going to go ahead and define the curls on the hair. So I've gone ahead and defined some of the curls. As you guys can see, I just have the front portion left, and the curls defined very beautifully and very easily. There was barely any tangling or shedding while I was defining the curls. I literally just sprayed some water, then I put a spray gel, and then I brushed the hair with a comb, and that was it. Very, very easy, very straightforward. As you guys can see, the hair just defines like butter. And the hair is really, really soft as well. So now that the curls are defined, I'm just going to let the wig sit and dry. And then I'm going to put it on my head when everything has set. So that is all the shedding I got. Very minimal shedding. So now time to wear the wig and put it on my head. So this is a 100% human hair wig. So the curls are gonna last in the wig. And it also makes the wig more versatile, and the wig is gonna last longer. So as you guys can see, the lace is a little light for me. If you're darker skinned, you would probably have to put like a little bit of foundation or lace tinting spray just to make it match your skin tone. But that's very, very easy. I'm going to show you guys how to easily make the lace match your skin tone. So what I do is I take a little bit of my foundation and I take a brush and I just lightly dab that on the lace. That's literally all you have to do. Just put some foundation or brown powder, something that matches your skin tone. Just put that on the lace, and that is basically it. So I'm showing you guys the difference between the side that I've done and the side that I haven't done. And now I am done blending the lace. As you guys can see, it looks way more natural now. Now I'm just going to do just a little bit of baby hairs. You don't even need to do baby hairs with this, but I'm just going to do light baby hairs just to make it look even better. And this is also, I'm wearing this wig glueless. You can definitely wear this with glue or any adhesive if you want, but personally I like to wear my wigs glueless because it's safer on your edges. So I like the fact that you can wear this wig without any glues or any sprays or anything like that. It's just safer for your hair and safer for your edges. So I really like how this install went. As you guys saw, it was super easy to install this week. All I did was just color the lace to match my skin tone, and that was basically it. Just did really light baby hairs, and as you guys can see, I'm literally running the end of the comb under the wig to show you that there is no glue at all. And I'm also showing you guys how you can part this wig in different places. So yes, this is a gorgeous wig. As you guys can see, beautiful curls. Like I said, this is the Jerry curly texture. I'm gonna put the link for where you can get the hair down below. Let me know if you guys have any questions. The hair is from QT Hair, 200% density, 8x5 Jerry curly lace closure wig. Ah, this is gorgeous. I absolutely love this. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. All the information for where you can get this gorgeous wig is going to be down below in the description box. So please make sure you check that out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below or my face on this side. Also, do not forget to watch my other wig videos on this side. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.